Ever wanted to experience a 360-degree sunset view of Cebu City? At top, you can see the breathtaking city skyline, meeting the sea and the mountains. Welcome to Wonderlast. This is Alexander, and today, I'm taking you to one of the top places to visit in Cebu. Tops is where the city skyline meets the sea and the mountains whisper serenity. New Year's Day 1996. I was just 1 year old when my parents brought me here. I was too young to remember the view. I don't remember the breeze, but I've always wondered what it felt like. Today, 29 years later, we visited Tops of all days on the 127th Philippine Independence Day, June 12, 2025. I felt the breeze still carries that mountain chill. And the view? It's even more magical now that I can truly see and appreciate it more myself. The old curved roofing has been removed, but the old arches that used to support it are still here. The old circular platform has been expanded. A curved building now stands behind the arches. It has 5 floors, including the small arched roof deck. The central section of the 3rd floor, which looks like a balcony, is still vacant. The 4th floor has viewing decks that slope on either side, each with short staircase leading to the roof deck. The original hexagonal tiles in 1985 are preserved to this day, but the old concrete ledge where we once sat was replaced by a safety railing surrounding the outermost dimension. As the sun starts to sink behind the mountains, the city begins to glow. From here, you get a full 360-degree view. Cebu City, Mactan Island, and even the distant shores of Bohol, all in one breathtaking sweep. Golden hour hits different up here. The breeze is cool, the sky is a canvas, and every photo looks like an Instagram post. And then, just like that, the city lights take over. What was a scenic view turns into a sea of sparkle. Tops at night isn't just a beautiful view. It's a nostalgic feeling, especially for me. Whether you're on a date, with friends, or flying solo, the Tops experience stays with you. Located in the hinterlands of Busay, just 30 minutes from the city center, Tops sits at about 2,000 feet above sea level. The journey alone is scenic. Winding roads, fresh mountain air, and glimpses of what's waiting at the top. Tops never sleeps, but you cannot sleep there also. It operates 24 hours a day, including holidays. There are branded shops here where the family can enjoy a delicious meal or a quick snack. Being in Tops is unique. It's about the experience of being above it all. That feeling of being on top of the world, even for just a day or night. If you're visiting Cebu, don't miss this. Come for the view. Stay for the vibe. Tops Lookout is more than a destination. It's a moment you'll never forget. Life changes. The city grows. We grow. But some places, they stay with you, even if you don't remember them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hidden gems with WonderLast. See you in the next one.